All right, so look at example 5. It says evaluate the following logarithmic and exponential expressions. So we're using the same formulas, log base b of x equals y, and b to the y equals x. The only thing is, if it says the natural log of x, that's really log base e. All right, just a different way to write it. So look at A. It's in log form, so we're going to set it equal to what? Y. And so what is my base? Yeah, it's not written, but it's ln, right? So it's got that little e right there that we can't see. Natural log has base e of x. What is my x? Square root of e. And what is my y? So change it to exponential. So b to the y equals our x. Now what do I do? Can I get rid of the radical? Yeah. So e to the y equals, remember, it's your base raised to, what's the exponent on that? 1 over, what's the root? 2, because it's a square root. Then what do we do? Yeah, our e's are equal, our bases are equal, so don't worry about them. So y is equal to 1/2. So that means that the natural log of the square root of e is equal to 1/2. All right, B. It's in what form? Log or exponential?
Exponential.
Is your log like regular written, or is it up in the exponent?
It's regular written.
It's regular written, so it's going to be in log form. So I'm going to set it equal to y. So go through your pieces. It's log base b. What is your base? E. Remember, it's not written, so you can write it if you need to there. Of x. What is your x? Hold on, I'm zoomed in a little bit. Let me rewrite that. So b was e. What was x? E to the 5th. And what is y? Okay, so set it up in exponential form. So you can put your b, raise it to your y, and it's going to equal whatever your x is. We already have like bases. So y equals 5. And then C. What form is C written in? Exponential. So we're going to set this one equal to x. So this one is b to the y equals x. So what is your b? Remember, it's b to the y equals x. So what is b? E. What is y? Natural log of x. And what is x? X. I'm sorry, I put natural log of x. What should it have been? 4. Sorry. I don't know if I just misheard or what, to be honest. All right, so set it up in log form. So we're going to write the word log. What is its base? E of what is x? Equals, what is y? Oh, that looks a little weird, but what is log base e? What did we say that was? That is our natural log, right? So natural log of x equals natural log of 4. We hadn't quite done one like this so far, but you remember how, like, if you had your bases were the same, you were able to get rid of them? If your log bases are the same, if you have a log equals a log, and their bases are the same, you can ignore them because what's inside has to be equal as well. So we can get rid of our natural log because they're both log base c, and we get x is equal to 4.